Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I know this is kind of a little bit weird that I'm starting this kind of like vlog style, but today I have a really fun and exciting video because I've been waiting for this for a long time. My new carpet cleaner came in. I shouldn't say new carpet cleaner because I've never had one before. My carpet cleaner came in. So this summer I was wanting to, we have carpet we have carpet in our basement and carpet in our living room. And the rest is like the fake hardwood. I don't know what that is, laminate. So I have been wanting to get rid of the carpet in our living room and put the laminate in, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen this year. So this carpet is so gross, you guys. It hasn't been cleaned. It hasn't been shampooed in like 3 years. I know, that's so gross. Like, it is disgusting. It is so gross. And same with the one downstairs. Finally, I was like, if we're going to keep this carpet, we need to get a carpet cleaner because I can't take this anymore. Like, it's so gross. We had it professionally cleaned a few years ago, but we've just been spot cleaning it whenever it gets dirty. But it's time. It's time to have a deep clean, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be disgusting. So I'm going to unbox my new carpet cleaner with you guys, and I'm going to shampoo our living room carpet. It's also going to be a little bit of a clean with me because my living room is a complete disaster right now. So I'll show you guys me cleaning up and of course vacuuming and moving all the stuff out, and then I'll be shampooing. So stick around. If you're in need of some cleaning motivation, there's going to be a little bit of that in here. And then there's going to be a review on this carpet cleaner. And yeah, let's get going.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad woman.
All right, you guys, I cannot believe I'm about to show you this because it is so gross. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, this is so disgusting. I can't believe I'm about to show this in front of people on YouTube. Look. Ew. Oh my God, you guys. I don't know if you can really see that here, man. Let me turn away. Oh, all you're seeing is the reflection. You guys, that is like black water. It is so disgusting. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, this is to pour it out. Okay. I'm gonna go pour this out and finish up. All right, you guys. So I didn't film myself finishing the rest of the carpet because, I mean, you saw it enough. But now we are going to be heading out into the city. We live about an hour away from the city. And we're going to be heading out to go and meet our friend's new baby. So we're going to go do that and let this dry. And I think I might actually do this one more time again before I go to bed tonight. Like once we get home and we put my son down, I think before I go to bed, I'm going to shampoo this again because it was so gross, so disgusting. There is a rinse option on this cleaner. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I think I just finished up shampooing it, but I think I'm going to do the rinse option as well. And I'll see how dirty that water is. And then we'll see. If that water's not too bad, the rinsing, then maybe I won't do it again. But either way, I'll let you guys know what I ended up doing. Bye. Okay, you guys. So I just did the rinse cycle and this water is just as gross. So I'm going to show you it, and I think tonight I'll definitely be doing another pass with this because God, this water is just as gross. So we definitely need to do this again. I'm so disgusted. Okay, you guys, here we go. So I mean, it's a little bit better than the first time, but not by much. Oh my God, this is so gross. I just can't even believe this. Can't believe that this is what my family is, this is what my child is walking over and playing on. Yuck. Definitely going to be doing another pass, and then I will let you guys know how that goes tonight. Okay, guys, so I have changed. We were out with our friends, like I said, and my little guy threw up all over me, so that was great. But I'm back home now. My son is in bed. It is pretty late. It's almost 10 o'clock. And I just did another pass with the carpet cleaner. So I just did the washing and then I'm going to do the rinsing again. But yeah, it's still pretty gross. I'm so grossed out by this. Like, I'm going to go ahead and show you now. This is the second time, the second pass over it. Okay, you guys. Oh my God, it's still so bad. It is still so gross. This is the second time. Second clean. So now we're going to do the rinse cycle. And I'll show you how that water looks. And I mean, I might have to do this a third time, you guys. I don't know. This is gross. All right, you guys. So excuse me because I know I look crazy and I have no makeup on. But it is the next day. And what I decided to do was to just go ahead and do just the really high traffic areas for the third time. So initially my plan was that I wanted to go over everything one more time, but it has been like really rainy and yucky outside. My plan was to do it in the morning and then just spend the day outside with my son. It's been really yucky outside, so being outside isn't really an option for us today. So I'm just gonna go, I just went ahead and did just the high traffic areas so that we could still like play inside and still use the living room. So I moved back most of the furniture And I just did the high traffic area, so now I'm going to show you the third pass, and it's better than the last two passes for sure. So I think I'm going to leave it at this, and then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that I'm doing this like way more regularly, and then hopefully over time it will come up. So here is stroke number 3 with the carpet cleaner. All right, guys, so it's still pretty brown, but it's way better than it was. And that's just the high traffic areas. So way better than it was. Now I'm going to rinse it. All right, you guys, so it is days later. It's actually probably about a week later, week and a half later. And I have shampooed pretty much everything in my entire house. So I didn't do all the footage. I didn't show you guys all the footage of me just shampooing everything because I didn't feel like that was necessary. You guys got a little snippet of me doing it in my living room. So I didn't feel the need to show any of that. But I wanted to give you my final thoughts on this shampooer. So first of all, I did the main floor. I did like the living room carpet. I ended up doing it 3 times. But it actually ends up being 6 times because with this, you go over it once with the shampooing and like the washing, and then you suck it all up. And then you go over it again with a rinse cycle that's just water. So you end up doing it about 6 times when you do it 3 times. So, and as you guys saw, I was absolutely, completely disgusted by the results of this. The water was so gross, and I was so mad at myself because, you know, like rookie YouTuber, I'm covering the lens when I was showing you guys how gross it really was. When I was emptying it the first time, like that water, it was literally black. It was so gross. It was so disgusting. And like I said, we hadn't done this in like almost 3 years. And before that, we had had it done only once professionally. And we had tenants in here, and it was a mess. So it had been a while, and we spent a lot of time in our living room. So it was definitely pretty gross. Now, by the 3rd time that I was doing it, it was getting lighter. Water was still pretty gross. I would have liked to actually probably do it a couple more times, but I just couldn't. I had everything in my kitchen and in my dining room. I had moved everything out, and with my child, it was not possible for me to do it again. I had to move everything back because my kid was just like running around getting into everything. I couldn't cook, I couldn't do anything, so I had to move everything back. But I'm definitely going to be making that a more part of my routine. I'm thinking definitely every 6 months for sure. But I think maybe once every couple of months to just do like the high traffic areas in the house is probably good. And just hopefully get out some of that dirt. I also did the stairs and I did my couch, and the function of that worked absolutely great. And I did my basement, and my basement was a lot cleaner than the top floor because we're not down there as often. But yeah, the entire basement is all carpeted. So I did that. I only did once for each of that. And it definitely sucks up a lot of dirt for sure. I mean, I did this like in the top floor, I did it like 3 times, and I ended up getting so much dirt out. So I was very, very happy with that. I will say when I was down in the basement, and this is after I had used it quite a bit already, I did find that it stopped sucking during one of my cycles. As I was using it, it was not sucking up like it had before. And we really had to go over it and make sure that everything was dry and sealed properly when you're putting the dirty basin back in. Yeah, I definitely had to make sure like there was a little bit like of water along that seal. I had to wipe that all off and really like stick that in good. And then it was fine after that. It only did that the one time. So I guess it must not have, there was some sort of, I don't know. There's just some sort of like hole there or something. The air wasn't getting through properly to suck it up, I guess. But after I fixed that, then it never did that again. So far, I absolutely love my new shampooer. I'm going to have all the links for it in the description box below, the Amazon link to it, in case you guys are in the market for one of these yourselves and you're wanting to find that out. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Please don't judge me too harshly with how gross my house was. Like I still can't believe how gross it really was. But it just goes to show you that if you have not shampooed your rugs in a while, you need to do that. You need to either get it done professionally or just go out and buy one of these, because it's unbelievable. I mean, rugs are kind of gross to begin with, and I'd like to have the entire top floor be the laminate, and that's going to be happening in probably next year, because they are so gross. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below what shampoo you have, and if you absolutely love it, or if you're in the market for a new one. Thanks so much for watching with me today, and I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.